Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're at Northumberland Zoo and we're going to take a closer look at a few of the animals here. These are black-tailed prairie dogs, one of North America's most social animals, and you can find them here at the zoo. Prairie dogs live in large underground colonies called towns, made up of complex tunnels, systems, and these have separate areas for sleeping, nesting and keeping watch. That familiar upright stance isn't just cute, it's a lookout position, helping them spot danger and warn the rest of the group. They are highly vocal animals, using a range of calls to communicate everything from predators to everyday activity. Despite their small size, prairie dogs play an important role in the natural ecosystem, helping to shape grasslands and support other wildlife. Watching them here, you really get a sense of how alert, curious and connected they are, always busy, always aware, and never too far from their neighbours, although unfortunately there is only one dog remaining at the zoo. These are Livingstone fruit bats, one of the rarest bat species in the world, and you can see them here at Northumberland Zoo. Native to islands off the coast of East Africa, these large bats are known for their dark fur, orange-brown collars and impressive wingspans. Like many fruit bats, they spend much of the day resting upside down, conserving energy before becoming more active later on. Livingstone fruit bats feed mainly on fruit and nectar, playing a vital role in their natural environment by helping to pollinate seeds and spread seeds. Without species like these, many forest ecosystems would struggle to survive. Sadly, they are critically endangered, with habitat loss and severe storms threatening their wild population. Conservation breeding programs like the one here are an important part of protecting the future of this species. Watching them up close, you really notice how calm and gentle they are, quietly resting, grooming and interacting with one another, a reminder of how even the most misunderstood animals can play an essential role within the natural world. These are Asian short-clawed otters, the smallest otter species in the world, and you can see them here at Northumberland Zoo. Despite their small size, these otters are full of character. They're incredibly social animals, living in close family groups where cooperation and communication are a big part of daily life. Whether they're grooming, playing or calling to one another, there's always something happening within the group. Their name comes from their short claws, which don't extend far beyond the pads of their fingers, which makes them extremely dexterous, allowing them to feel for food like crabs, insects and shellfish, rather than relying on digging or tearing. Watching closely, you'll see them using their paws almost like hands, carefully manipulating objects with surprising precision. Asian short-clawed otters are highly vocal, using a wide range of sounds to communicate, from soft chirps and whistles to louder calls that help keep the family group together. These constant exchanges strengthen social bonds and help maintain order within the family. In the wild, they are found across parts of South and Southeast Asia, living in wetlands, mangroves, rivers and rice paddies. Unfortunately, habitat loss, pollution and illegal wildlife trade have caused their numbers to decline in many areas, making conservation efforts increasingly important. Here their enclosure provides opportunities to explore, forage and play, behaviours that are essential for both physical and mental well-being. Whether they're swimming effortlessly through the water, restfully playful on land, or stopping to investigate something new, their curiosity is always on display. There's something endlessly engaging about watching otters. Their playful energy, close family connections and clear intelligence makes them fascinating to observe, but also reminds us how healthy waterways are important for wildlife around the world. Spending time with animals like these offers a quiet moment to slow down and appreciate the smaller details, the interactions, the routines, and the simple joy of animals being exactly what they are. This is a lowland tapir, known as the Brazilian tapir, and you can see them here at Northumberland Zoo. Tapirs may look a little unusual, but they're actually close relatives of horses and rhinos. That flexible trunk-like snout is perfectly adapted for grasping leaves, fruit and vegetation, allowing them to feed with surprising precision. In the wild, lowland tapirs live in forests and wetlands across South America. They're strong swimmers and are often found near rivers, where they can cool off, escape predators, and move quickly through the water. Their calm, steady movements help them blend into their surroundings despite their size. Tapirs are mostly solitary animals and tend to spend more time being active during the evening and night, although as you can see here they're two males mixed together and they clearly get on very well. Watching them during the day offers a quieter glimpse into their world. Slow steps, careful feeding, and moments of rest that reflect their relaxed, unhurried nature. Sadly, habitat loss and hunting have caused tapir numbers to decline in many areas. Conservation programs, including those in zoos, play an important role in protecting these gentle animals for the future. There's something grounding about watching the tapir move, unbothered, deliberate, and completely at ease. A reminder that not everything in nature needs to rush. These are Dozer, Peaches and Red, the domestic cattle here at Northumberland Zoo. They are the final animals we'll be spending time with on this visit. Dozer and Peaches are Highland cattle, a breed well known for their long coats, sweeping horns and calm temperament. Highland cattle are one of the oldest registered cattle breeds in the world and are particularly well adapted to cooler climates like the one found at Northumberland Zoo, with their thick hair helping protect them from the wind and rain. Dozer has a special story. He was born very early and was hand-reared by the zoo's team, which means he's grown up with a particularly close bond to his carers. Peaches is half-sibling, and together they form a relaxed, easygoing pair, often seen resting, grazing, and quietly watching as the world goes by. Below them is Red, a Hereford cross bullock. Compared to the Highland cattle, his appearance is quite different. Broader build, shorter coat, and familiar, warm colouring. Just like Dozer and Peaches, his calm nature and he is unhurried, adding to the peaceful atmosphere of this enclosure. Domestic cattle play an important role here at the zoo. They help visitors connect with animals that they may feel familiar, while offering a chance to learn more about the animal care, behaviour, and the different breeds that exist. Spending time with animals like these can be surprisingly grounding. There's no urgency, no rush, just slow movements and quiet routines. Watching cattle graze, rest and interact with each other encourages you to slow down as well. Their steady pace and gentle presence brings a different kind of appreciation, one rooted in everyday life and long-standing human connections with animals. And we come to the end of this visit. Moments like this remind us that not every animal experience needs to be dramatic or fast-paced. Some of the most memorable scenes are the calmest ones, animals simply being themselves in their own time. Thank you for joining here at Northumberland Zoo. If you enjoyed this walk and the animals we've seen along the way, feel free to like the video, subscribe for more relaxed wildlife and walkthrough content, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care of yourselves.